I've tested the best AI video creation tools. And the last one? It's going to shock you, but to truly understand why, we need to go through all of them first. To get started, you'll need to create an account. I created a ChatGPT account using the email I just made. I forgot to mention something important. The rules. First one is that all the prompts will be generated by ChatGPT, and the second one is that we'll evaluate everything based on performance in 4 days on my platform. Now that we have the basics down, let's get started. First, we'll ask ChatGPT to come up with a niche idea that's viral and can be turned into a 20-second video with 1 frame every 5 seconds. These are the ideas that ChatGPT suggested, and these 2 interested me the most. If you want to know the others, I'll show them at the end of the video. And these are the prompts for the video. If you're curious about the add-ons, stay tuned because I'll show them at the end along with tons of other ideas. And now that we have everything we need, let's get started. First, I created an account on a platform called InVideo AI. Then I went to ChatGPT to copy my prompts for the video. Okay guys, there's a problem with my bank account, so I'll have to go with my plan B. If you want to see the final video, head over to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Now we just need to repeat the same process for the second prompt video. If you want to check out these first 2 crazy AI-generated videos, head over to my YouTube channel and don't forget to leave a like.
Huh?
Oh yeah, from my first impression, I can confidently say this is definitely a Chinese website. After doing some thorough research on this Chinese website, I came across a problem. I don't have enough gems or tokens or whatever they're called, and it doesn't seem to support creating long-form videos. So I decided to combine Pika and Clink AI in a viral niche to see how well it performs. You know the deal. If you want to see these wild videos, go check out my YouTube channel or hit the link in the description. Alright, now let's get into the real stuff, Luma AI. First I had to create an account. Then I explored the options to see how I could optimize my results. Right away I could tell that Luma AI is really pushing hard for you to buy a subscription. I quickly went through the settings and tweaked a few things. Since I couldn't create videos directly, I copied the prompts for images and tried a different technique to turn them into a video. But it didn't work. Hey, we don't give up on this channel, so I gave it one last shot. That's when I came up with the idea to transform the generated images into a video using DaVinci Resolve. And now what we've all been waiting for. Runway. I created an account. This is exactly what I needed. Right after that, I jumped into ChatGPT to grab the prompt I wanted. I mean, seriously. Whoever built this must be a millionaire. I explored the site a bit and was impressed by how sleek and sophisticated everything looked. Then I had an idea, why not check out a YouTube tutorial? The video didn't give me much, except for one useful insight. I could generate images with ChatGPT, and then let Runway turn them into a full video. So, I quickly asked ChatGPT to create a single image prompt for one scene. And voila, here are the images. But, let's spice things up a bit. I'm switching the original idea with a brand new niche, Victoria's Secret models, by country.
Okay.
Now all that's left is to turn them into a video using Runway. I kept going with the process, and in the end I uploaded the final result to YouTube. Now, it's been a week since I published the last video, so it's evaluation time. I'm about to show you a graph with the views each AI brought in, along with a brief personal opinion on each platform. So let's get started. 3, 2, 1. Wow. And we have a winner with 4,800 views. Not gonna lie, Runway really let me down. Alright, here's my quick take on each platform. If you want to check out the videos yourself, they're all on my channel. I'd love to hear your thoughts or your own experiences in the comments. And hey, if you've made it this far, it'd be a real shame not to like and subscribe. Peace.